Good morning everybody, good morning and welcome. Welcome to another live session with the Mohawk Forex Scalping, true scalping team as we say. Happy Wednesday, and today we're going to be looking again on US30 and gold and silver and various different things for the market open, which is about 25 minutes away. We're just checking the news. We're having a quick look on Bloomberg here and just seeing what's happening with futures and where we're at. Because today is an unusual day in terms of there's no kind of pre-market news. There's news we traded in the Asian session with Japan and China, which we got nice wins on. We traded the DAX this morning on the European Open with the PPI news. That was a good win, and we did the UK inflation news, which was a sell as well. All very good. There it is, look, did the open here and we caught this nice sell on the UK 100. So, but this afternoon there's nothing really. I mean, there's some oil news, gas news later on, but in terms of momentum for the market, it really is looking at TA and looking at the general kind of news. I always watch a little bit of Bloomberg, you know, just to get a feel for whether we're going to go against it or with it. And obviously have a look at investing.com. You're taking as much information as you can, and that's what it's all about, just to give you an idea of where price might go to on the open. So there's US30 had a bit of a run this morning on the London session, then it sort of flattened off, some consolidation, a minor correction, almost back down, in fact way back down to where it started on the London session, back to our points of interest line at 35420. And a little bit of fake outs, so it's been fairly smooth, and I would just wait and see what's going to happen on the open. I've had an RSI cross just now, look. Wouldn't look to take a trade on this because we need to break our trend line, then I might be tempted get in for a quick scalp before the open. So let's just get the broker open. Justin's with us as well again over in the States.
Live from Fort Myers, Florida.
Hey, Florida, Sunshine State.
Sunny and 71.
Oh, here it's about 14 degrees and a raging storm. But it's October. This is UK weather. I literally walked back the seafront this morning and literally it was sunshine and rain at the same time. There you go. Only in the UK. This is why we get so obsessed about the weather. So on a bad day like this, there's nothing better than doing a little bit of scalping to try and cheer yourself up.
Money in the bank always cheers you up.
Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Let's have a look on US30.
Had a nice bull run on gold from Asia on.
Yes. Yeah, and I'm just looking at this little break on US30 as well. Just pulled back a little bit there, look.
Yeah.
What have we got to here? We've got initially 50 points, maybe. See what happens on that. We'll have a quick look at gold. This is a nice little unexpected move pre-session. Sometimes you get this. I mean, it's forming a nice little W pattern again. Got a big leg here, look, big M. You can see it here, look.
Indeed.
Yeah, you can see that was a decent sell-off. Back to here, back down to here. So again, in terms of following the structure, that's pretty good. It would be nice if we got back to our breakout zone here, 3482. Just see how it happens on this. setting up nicely now. See if we can get something on it. Brilliant. Got my first 2 trades there. Yep, that was in and out. So I got there two £10 trades, two £10.52, the 20. So what's that? $30 there. There you go. That'll start the session off with. Sometimes, see, you don't need to have all the news and everything if you can just watch, and that's all to do with the axe system. So 2 quick ways. Start. Nice if you can get $100 an hour. Again, that was just to, thanks to that. That's just, these are the kind of setups we look for, and it's, you know, you're close enough, or you're far enough away from the open just to risk that. And as we can see, look, it hit that points of interest, that minor resistance level there. Perfect. Like I said, I didn't really, I know I was only going to get 50 points, just, you know, $30, nothing wrong with that, that's fine. As a good start. You get £100 in an hour, I mean, that's, you know, $130, I think. I say we knew we were going to get, it's a resistance, you see, so again, it's just telling you that it's not just going to break straight through. You're going to get a pullback, and then if we see RSI creep into that 75 zone, we'll go in again, because this zone will have been broken. So this is a chart worth keeping watching. Let's have a look at gold, just Jim was just saying. So it was a nice run up in the London session, and again, using axe system on here, we would have got in, I mean, I would have got in, I'd have got in there, we'd have got in there, we'd have got back in again there, got in again here. So there was four buys you could have had in this session already, just again by using the system. And look at this, you get a nice little bearish divergence appear, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get the pullback. And I know my profit would be at the breakout zone, because you're going to get a bounce off it, doesn't it? So let's see if gold is going to do, if US30 is doing a W, then are we going to get a nice M on gold? Sets us up for the open. Maybe to here, maybe to here, maybe back to our trend line, and then yeah, retest of our breakout zone.
Definitely do.
I'd say to you, I like it when you get, you know, US30 doing a W, gold doing an M, doing the reverse of each other. That's a good sign.
That's good with the whenever they reverse correlate.
Watch and see.
As they're supposed to do.
Yeah, let's see if this RSI breaks above our neutral zone on here. Interesting to see. What's Bloomberg saying, anything? Or in? Again, 16 minutes, it's just a bit behind on my stream. I get it just for a bit of news there. Look, this is what I like to look at, especially when things, as we know, get to this 1% level. We usually like to see some kind of reversal. So We leave DAX and FTSE alone now. We've traded them this morning in the London session. Some people trade them in the afternoon, that's fine, but I tend to leave them alone. And then this is what we want to see. It's all fairly positive. All this has the potential to reverse down. Dow, NAS, 0.56. 0.56, but more likely we'll get a continuation of 0.56. So we could get a nice push up on US30 on the open, which means that on gold we're going to get a nice push down. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. What do you say, Justin? Could be futures flat over raise, so yeah. We could get we could get back up to our TP1 again on here on the open. Yeah, it'd be nice to get 100 points. Maybe we get 50. We'll get a sell on gold. And we just jumped in there on gold, and I just got another £12. Just got another $20 there. Just a quick in and out, no messing. Again, I'm not looking to scalp anything major because we're just before the open. I just saw that little wick down, you see. Again, I might go for a bigger sell, like I say, when it pops out the neutral zone. But I just nipped in there. I could have held our flat baseline. You see here, look. This is the perfect area. Look, there you go, to take profit, and then we could get the bounce up. So see, but you know, see where this RSI is, our dashboard as well. So neutral now. So that was just a quick. You know what I mean? It's nothing amazing, but you know, $20 is $20. So we're already $50. There you go, in what we've been streaming, 18 minutes. So you know, if we can get to 100 in an hour, I think that would do most people. And again, I'm not using a massive account here. I'm using, you know, like a $4,000 account, which is, you know, not a lot by any shake of the stick. Yeah, look at that, see, nice push down in our breakout zone, RSI 45, But we know it's too dangerous now to enter a sell because we know we're going to get a little pushback. But on the open, we can expect that first 15 minutes as usual of things spiking either way. We just got to make the decision which way to go, hold our nerve, take our money and get out the table. Like I say, today's a day probably maybe not for holding for 100 points. I'm just going to go in and see what I can get, more than likely. Especially with $50 up, you know what I mean? We've done 4 trades. Avoided bank some from this morning as well, like I say, from DAX and UK 100. We're ahead of the game. Cold look, there we go, looks nice. Get down to that our breakout zone. Watch this, we've got about 6-7 minutes to go before we enter any trades. Let's see. We're just holding on to that support now at 1783 area. We're 5 minutes away from kind of making a decision on where we're going to go. Let's have a look at US30. US30's on that resistance as well, look, having pushing up again. It's retested it already. But are we going to get a nice spike? So our TP1 is now going to be here, the open. What I'm thinking. Would be nice and get to that breakout zone. We're going to get some little stop loss hunting, but it's not going to go any lower than here, and it's probably going to smash into our target, so that would be really nice. At the same time, if that happens, gold hopefully will continue down a little bit. I'm going to set a TP off our breakout zone. Here, look. This is all following price action and market structure, giving us an idea and edge of where we think price might shoot down to. Again, we'll probably get a rejection and up, but we might just get enough here just to get in, just to get, if it holds here, look, 100 points there, look, 129, so that's more than enough. Same on US30, we only want 50 to 100 points, look, so yeah, we're well in on there. Now we've broken the trend line, we're above our average line, we're into the buy zone, 65% buy, so that's looking pretty good. And it's the opposite on gold at the moment. So you always expect a spike either way. You've got to be prepared for that, and just hold your nerve, get in, get the money, and you know, like I say, we've made $50 in 18 minutes or whatever it was. If I can double that to 100, then that's the goal achieved. You know what I mean? You know, you don't always need that news. It's nice to have the news as the motivation and momentum, but the Axe system is giving you the edge where to get in and out of the trade. And obviously if it goes against us, we just end the trade and we just go back in again, you know. We're not silly, we don't take massive risks here. We know where, if price is going to finish and end, but like I said, we did yesterday. If it goes against us, we just take another buy or sell in the opposite direction at the bottom of that candle, let it come back up and clear us out back to break even. That's what scalping's all about. A couple of minutes to go. Like wants to push. If it gets to our, it can get to our breakout zone, that'd be great. I can raise that to there, just below it, in between somewhere. Plenty of reason for it to hit that and then smash down, but we'll already be out of the trade. I like it where it clears down the wick as well. This is a great sign. I like to see this wick exposed. Down, I want to see it pull down just as the same as gold. Look, nice continuation. If it holds, breaks through this support zone, just raise it down here to our flat KG line. Look, so it'll be great. Right, let's get in there. Look. Now, cool, everything's set.
Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it.
Wow, we've already just got $200 on gold already. It's already hit. I can't believe it. I set the trade run in and we've already hit it. I can't believe it. It's great. And now US30. We're in profit on US30, and this is before the open, with 30 seconds to go. That was a great spike down, because that's why I get in 1 minute before. So we're in on US30 as well now. Gold, we're already hit profit, we're already there. Look at that dip down. That's great. We're already there.
The apocalypse.
And US30, let's have a quick look. There we go. There it is. Going to hit our zone. Perfect. Perfect, look at that. Waiting to get out on this.
The heat is scorching.
Brilliant. Done. I got 37 and 20 on US30, and I got 81 and 43 on gold. So we made 120, 140, 180, $260. There you go. Bang. Done. In 4 positions, 4 trades.
Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
And that's 1 minute. 1 minute of scalping. Why mess around?
The apocalypse.
Look at that. Isn't it great when it comes together like this? Thanks to Axe System, thanks to using price action, the wave, there we're going up, TP hit, and on gold, the M pattern, perfect. That's the open done. That's how you trade the open. How's that? Can't go wrong. Perfect. We're all done and dusted within like 1 minute. Let's have a quick look where we're at. So today we've done 18 trades today, all told, and that was the JP225, China 50, Hong Kong 50, the DAX, UK 100, and obviously we've just done US30 and gold just before the market open, and we've just done 2 trades on gold and 2 trades on the US30, and we're all clear. All those trades green, no hassle, nice and easy. And we wanted $100 an hour. We've actually got the best part of over 300. And look at the price action now. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. See, if you can get this technique down, why do you have to bother holding, stop lossing, all the stop losses that cause all them losses for most traders? So you got a re-entry on gold now. Look here as well, which is great. And all you got to do is wait for it to wick up and then wick down. Yep, and we're in again and we're out. We're going to get there. $15. There you go, more $15. $8.95 in British pounds. That's about $12, $13. Little cheeky bonus trade. Why? Because I trust the Axe System. As soon as we're in this first oversold zone and we wick up, we're going to get a continuation of push down, at least this area here. And we did, look. It's great. Now you don't get greedy, you don't keep going in until you get the reverse. Obviously you just take the money and that's it. And that was another nice little bonus trade. So yeah, perfect. So look at US30. And US30 is doing the same look. It's in that nice push up zone now, breaking that over sold zone, overbought zone. And, we're going to get in there and we'll get out again. What do we get there? We got 7. We've got another $20 there. Another quick $20. Again, straight in. As soon as I see it hit that over sold zone, no messing around. I'd see a little bit of a wick down before you do it, but no. So you don't get greedy with it. See, you've got a bull push up there. It's heavy resistance. It's buy at the bottom. if we get a push on this or not. Maybe rejection. It's going to push it up a little bit. I want to push a little bit. I love this first 15 minutes. This is the perfect time for true scalping. Can't get any better than this. See, it wants to push up higher. We're done. Yes! Woohoo! What do we get? Over 3 trades. Yes, 15, 25 and 33. 33, 25, 60, another $120. Come on, team. Why is anybody else messing around with any other trading system? I just, you know. Perfect. That's a beautiful second leg W as well. For those who don't believe in the wave pattern, look at that. It's hitting our heavy resistance, so now spiking up, going up. Look, could have a hold for longer, yeah, but why do we need to? Why do we need to? And the whole idea is to try and get yourself $100 an hour, because there'll be more. I mean, look at this volatility. This is what we love. And people miss out on this. People tell you traders avoid the first hour of New York, first hour of London. Oh, it's scary, it's too volatile. But this is what you need to get in and out. Yes, it is. If you do traditional setups and you try to do stop loss and work out risk to reward ratios and all that, and you're going to get burnt. And pending orders. True scalping is reading the market live, getting in and out, stealthy, before anyone can see what you're doing. Getting the market structure, the market pattern right. Look at that. What a move. Beautiful. This is what I'm going to post for my results later. I like to have a nice chart. Go. A great little run. Perfect. That will be on our Instagram later on to show people. There you go. So we wanted $100 in an hour. We've been trading 38 minutes. Let's just add up what we've got. Rounded. So you know. Again, all these results are in my group, so people know I'm not, you know, messing around. The guys know how to do this in the group, and this is what you've got. This is why you join the Discord group and have me as your mentor. So there you go, $300, just under $300 in 39 minutes of trading. I think that would do most people. You know, and like I say, you want to keep going, of course, that is at your risk. Me, myself, I'm happy at that, because like I say, I've had a good go in the Asian session and the London session as well. And that is it's done my usual average trade, I think. Oh, 24 trades. I don't know how I get to that figure every single day, but there you go. So we've done 24 trades, no losses, all green on the screen. And like I say, we've just done $300 in 40 minutes. So I would say that is a successful scalping. And that's the good thing about this system, is that once you've got it done, you can just get in on these opens, be it Asian, London or New York, take the money, forget about trading for the rest of the day, go and walk in the park, go to the beach, do whatever, chill with your family, and come back to it next day. And these patterns repeat every single day. Of course, there's days where you're going to take losses, and there's days when the analysis is not going to be spot on, But overall, you can work out when to avoid those days as well. You can just trade the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, avoid the riskier Monday, Fridays. Again, that's all things I talk about in my Discord group while I'm mentoring you. But this is a great, you know, a great way to earn some extra income and just have fun trading, and that's what it's all about. You've got to have the fun. Trading and getting the analysis right. I'll post this. As we said, it was a perfect W on US30 and M on gold. And again, that took less than 5-10 minutes to analyse before the market open. And again, that's all down to the ACT system. Look at that, giving us the necessary tools so we can read it and we combine it with also what we saw on Bloomberg, basically the news of where things were heading to an overbought or oversold. Usually like the Dow Jones, what was it? It was like 0.5 pre-market. I know it's got a little bit more legs to go, up to 1% and above, if the pattern's right, which it is. Look, you can see here, if it started at 0.5, it's definitely over 1% now, and it's retested that 35500 level that we had earlier on in the London session. Now it's broke it, now it's going to pull back maybe and form a little M pattern. So you could continue scalping this, just continue with the pattern. Once you've identified one pattern, just then draw the next pattern out and follow it and wait for price action. And your RSI is your key to tell you if you're going right. Obviously, if this was selling off, RSI wouldn't be high up. It's easy to follow and use the RSI as your trigger, along with watching the general news. And you can see here, look, so let's see what actually it says now on the US. Beautiful thing. Go. Post that in the group, all green, as we know. And now you're getting the W form on gold now. There you go. This is going to be great. There you go. Another nice quick session, another nice little live stream. Like I say, the whole idea about this is you don't have to be sat behind a screen for hours on end, and sorting out all the orders and pending orders and everything. The whole idea about the ACT trading system is it can fit into your lifestyle. Once you practice this enough, and obviously you practice this on demo, you practice with a small account, get the strategy, get the technique, learn the fundamentals and trade in the news, then you can just like every day or every other day nip in, grab whatever you need to get, $50, $100, whatever, $1,000 if you want, and then get out and then put it to bed for the rest of the day, and then wake up the next day and tomorrow's a new day. You know what I mean? And we're doing all this on a 3-minute time frame. We didn't have to look at bigger time frames. We've got our ACT dashboard here giving us all the information, the RSI. These are all boutique indicators designed for us that you get access to as part of the Discord group. So we don't need to confuse ourselves with bigger time frames. We're just looking at fundamentals that drive the market and patterns that we can identify. So if you want to know more, then obviously go to www.mohawkforex.com, and all the information on how to join the Discord group and have me as your mentor if you like this type of scalping is on there, and I'd like to see you in our Discord group. But some nice wins today on US30 and gold. So please join me again on the next live stream, which hopefully will be tomorrow. And thanks to Justin joining me quickly there from Florida.
Absolutely, brother. Always a pleasure. Sorry I wasn't able to get back to you.
No, that's all right. We're in and out. It was so quick today. We just, like I say, we wanted to do $100, so we ended up bagging 300. And, you know, we're done. We've kind of, I wanted to get in on both these patterns. The W is there, look, and the M is there. And now it's forming the W now on gold. Let's redraw this. So in terms of scalping for the open, you know, the mission is done, and that's what I'm just trying to say to people. You don't need to be looking at charts endlessly to be able to get what you need to get out of the market, you know. So but tomorrow there's more news, plenty of news to look at, and including the jobless claims as well. Hopefully I'll try and be back for them, back live. If not, we've got existing home sales, which would be a good one as well. But yeah,
Should be back with you tomorrow as well.
yeah, great stuff. All right, well, take care everybody. Thanks again. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, share this, tell people we're true scalpers. You know, we're not gamblers, we're proper scalpers. We're using market structure, we're using price action, we're using fundamentals, and we're combining it into a great system that enables you to get in and out on the trade before anybody else has even taken a trade. There'll be so many traders who aren't even trading yet because it's still not even 30 minutes from the open. But we're done. We're done for the day, and that's the great thing about joining the Mohawk team and using the Axe system. So thanks again, Justin, for joining, and until then, trade safe, and we'll see you on the next stream. Take care all.